Angular 19 will drop this month, and we have already talked with Alex about linked signals, about the resource, RX resource. So when 19 comes, a lot of those new things is not new for us anymore. We've already played with it. So it does feel less and less overwhelming. Also have subscriptions for other places to study and learn, but I found the interactiveness really nice, and also get to learn directly from the Angular team is a really bonus. That's why when the Founder Pass came to light, I directly joined, and I have no regrets. And I think my second year just started a month or two ago, and yeah, it's a really great place to learn. And now we see Alex Rickenbaugh almost every 2 or 3 weeks, and you can directly ask things to him. And it's so great, like a private session with someone from the Angular team teaching you the latest stuff. And it's really helps. Like Angular 19 will drop this month, and we have already talked with Alex about linked signals, about the resource, RX resource. So when 19 comes, a lot of those new things is not new for us anymore. We've already played with it. So it does feel less and less overwhelming. When 16 dropped with the standalone components, it was really confusing. And in 17, I started to play more with it, and then it's get used to it. But now, I think thanks to being a part of Texas Nation and really putting the work in and creating stack blitzes. This time when 19 drops, I already know about that when Minko is writing it in his blog post. Been there, done that. It feels way way more comfortable, I think. Let's see in a couple of weeks when it drops. Yeah, and when I try new stuff and I got stuck, I can ask other fellow members and fixing together. So it's great. And lately, thanks to Bonnie, Lars joined, and when I'm stuck, I just DM Lars, and he's so helpful and help me fix it. Yeah, it's
That was
so
another
nice.
question I was going to ask you is do you have any favorites in the group? Lars, definitely.
Lars,
Anybody else?
Pavel, and Connie, we look up to them, and they know so much and are so friendly and helpful. Yeah.